Elephant cannot dance. Elephant cannot dance. 불러봐. Let's dance. I can teach you.
이거 엄마가 해봐.
알았어. I am teaching all my.
엄마가 해봐 보는.
알았어.
I am teaching in my friend.
I would love to learn how to dance, but elephants cannot dance.
You
Kidding
me.
No. Look it up. Page 11. Tonight, it does not say that you cannot try. You are right, Piggy. I can try to dance. I will try to dance. Let's dance! Oof! Okay. Let's go. Jump with me. 알았어.
Don't with me. Okay. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Done.
Jump!
You are jump.
I was a little late on a jump.
We
We will try again. We will try again. Move your arms this way.
do this away.
You will try again. You will try again. Lift your leg this way.
This way.
We will try again.
We
Okay.
up,
Up,
up, down.
down,
Down.
spin,
Stop.
stop, forward,
What?
forward, backyard, backyard, wiggle, 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 robot walk, robot walk. Enough! I have tried and tried and tried and tried and tried, but I am an elephant, and elephant just cannot dance. Oh, Gerald. Hello! We are ready to learn some moves. I am sorry, I cannot teach you now. My friend is sad. Silly, we do not want you to teach us. We want to learn the elephant. 무슨 말일 것 같아? We want to learn the elephant. 누구한테 배우고 싶? 너한테 배우고 싶은 게 아니야. 우리는 누구한테 배우고 싶다고?
네.
맞아. Teach me, please. Me too. Me three. More flip, keep trying. You are getting it. 띵띵.